Hi, I'm Rachel Jones of the Jones Group, and today I'm going to take you through 117 Church Street in North Attleboro. This lovely 1900s Victorian home was converted to 4 condominium units in the 1980s. It sits on a corner lot, and the street is part of the National Historic Register. As you enter the building, you will be in a grand foyer with the original newel posts, ornate trim, and built-in bench seating. Upon entering the unit, you will be in the sun-filled dining room with a marble ornamental fireplace. The kitchen has space to eat in, as well as an island. There is a half bath and laundry on the first floor, as well as a walkout to the balcony. The living room has a mahogany fireplace and cathedral ceilings. All of the windows are replacement Anderson windows. As you make your way up the stairs to the second floor, you will continue to see accents of the original character. The guest room has a balcony overlooking the living room, and the primary bedroom is spacious with a walk-in closet. The grounds of this lovely building are beautifully maintained. I can just visualize the new owner sitting on this oversized porch relaxing. Thanks for watching. I'm Rachel Jones. For more information, visit the property website at 117churchstreet.com or call me directly at 401-663-6162.